Hey guys, what's up? This is Dave, here to show off my Power Rangers Lightning Collection for my Dino Charge Power Ranger. I got the Red Ranger, Tyler. He's actually pretty much my favorite Dino Charge Ranger, because he's really cool, he's nice, he's one of the best Red Rangers, in my opinion, to actually I guess I'm not sure where I'm going with that one. But yeah, this is the Dino Charge Red Ranger. I've heard a lot of people say this is a good one. I'm going to reopen this since I opened it and did a review on my Facebook page for the Hasbro Power Rangers collectors group. So there's advisories for in different languages. I'm guessing it's probably Mexican language, which yours truly does not know how to read. But some poses may require additional support. Certain positions require oh, it's just blah 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 blah. Includes figure and 6 accessories, and it just says that in a whole bunch of different other languages. Made in China. You people really need to start actually going and getting your toys and everything else that's not Japanese or Chinese factory made. Make it here, for God's sake. Make us more jobs, you dumbasses. Okay, so warning: choking hazard. Small parts not for children under 3 years of age. Okay, it just says that in other different languages for the age thing. Let me just actually go and pop this sucker open again. It was sitting right there where my entire Star Trek ship collection and my Godzilla stuff is all sitting right there. That's basically where I keep mostly everything that's still toy related to me that I've collected all over the years. I still have my Bumblebee from the Transformers. I've got the 2006 one. I also have his 1975 Camaro, and I have the newer version of him. I have my Geordie LaForge, my April O'Neil, who is played by Megan Fox, who also played in Transformers, the movie. I've got my Ray, I've got my King Kong. I only got one Star Destroyer. That's the Super Star Destroyer, and one that's actually the Resurgence class, but I'm not here to talk about that crap. I'm here to talk about this. Okay, let me go and open it. I'm actually procrastinating installing. Ugh. So, it's really not anymore mint in box. I'm sorry. And as I'm doing this review, I'm actually wearing my Beast Morpher. I'll put the actual Beast X key in it. Hold on. I hate it when the frickin' stupid key gets stuck like that.
Key to beast power, red.
Let me put it at that position so it's not trying to get in my way. Let me turn that off. So, he comes with a blue, probably electrical discharge thing, which you just take out like that. I'm probably guessing it goes on the sword. It comes with his dino charge morpher plus the gun. So it's pretty much the gun and the morpher. Kind of really don't understand why they kind of did that, but oh well. So there's the morpher gun. He comes with 2 additional hands. He comes with a open hand and a closed fist hand. And he comes with a head, which is Tyler's head. Let me see if I can actually get his head out again, since I had to shove them back in there because I was trying to preserve them. I'm trying to preserve the pieces and everything. So I'm guessing Tyler's gonna be a little bastard and not come have his head come back out. Oh, there we got it. I got it to pop out. So here's Tyler's head. Like mostly it's on a ball joint. You just go and twist off the head, and you go and put the ball joint from the top of the head where the neck is, and then you just go and twist it and screw it in. It took me a while to actually figure that out, to actually try and change the heads. And then he comes with his dino saber. It'd be cool if they could actually go and do the same thing where it's like, turn this into the actual extra gun. If you guys remember from the show, you could turn the saber into a extra part for the morpher gun and then turn it into a different blaster. And then let me see if I can actually get the figure out without trying to kick Tyler's ass out of it. Oh, there it goes. So, for a articulated toy, it's not very bad myself. I got this at my local GameStop that's not too far from where I live. They had Goldar and the Black Psycho Ranger, which I didn't want either one of them. I was actually trying to go and look for the Green Ranger or somebody else, but fortunately they didn't have the Green Ranger, they didn't have the Black Ranger. They had this one and, like I said, Psycho Black, which kind of weird because I didn't think that the Psycho Black was actually coming out. I thought that they only did the Psycho Red one. But okay. Articulation, not bad. Joints are a little stiff. His feet can move, his legs can move. You can rotate his leg all 360 around. That's kind of funny. Knee joint, leg joints goes up like that and like that, so you can pretty much do that. You got your left knee, left leg, right, left, swivel in the hands, the arms, the shoulders can go in and outwards. He can rotate his hand all 360. Can not rotate this one all 360 because you got the dino charge armor plating in the way. So you can try and make it all go completely 360, but unfortunately, like I said, the armor part here gets him stuck. You got some waist movement, so he can go up and down, left and right. You got where his dino chargers are, so, and also his communicator. And pretty much the head. Head can move left and right, up and down. And like I said, pretty much just pop the head off like that. So now his helmet's off. Let me put Tyler's head on. Just do the same motion back and forth. Just try and see if you can get it in there. Don't break his neck off, because that would be the stupidest thing you could ever do. I'm actually trying not to do that myself. So far, I've actually done this once or twice. Okay. Now we got his actual head back on. His human head. Like it goes up and down. It hardly moves left and right a little bit because of I'm not really sure why. But yeah, it's a little hard to move the actual human head. To get out his hands, you just go and come on. Twist it and pop it out like that. So he has open hands for his sword and his gun, which I'll go and put those together here in a second, in a minute. But I want to actually go and put the other hands on there just to show you how to do it. So you just go and twist them in. Make sure you don't break his hands on it. See, that just went in completely nicely. So now he has a closed fist. Like I was saying for the gun, I hope I'm putting this on the right hand. Well, it can somewhat hold it, but I would believe this is where the sword goes, not the freaking gun. So Dino Saber! Ha 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 ha! Yeah! Whee! I know, down in the comments, if my review sucks, go ahead and say it. Let me tear off his left hand there. Put the opened hand on it. See, that was easy. So now he's got a hand to say, stop with the hand. I'm probably sure that's not going to get me any freaking goddamn reviews, but okay. Take off that. Second hands are a little bit easier to take off than the first hands. So let me go and re-put those back in. There's one. Sorry everybody, it's freaking goddamn. Gonna be winter soon. And I'm doing this review here in October, which my birthday is in about several days and 1 week. October 31st. So happy birthday to me on... Fuck. It was 10 days last time, so it must be 8 this time. Okay, now we got both hands that have the ability to hold stuff in it. Mind me, I'm doing this review on my phone, so I'm trying to use my camera for my phone with the hopefully this is actually flash on where you guys can actually see me. But putting the Dino Charge blaster in Tyler's hand. Dino Charge, ready! It'd be nice if they actually gave you a little miniature Dino Charge just to put inside of his fingers. That'd be cool. Ugh. I hate the fucking goddamn fall. Sorry for the cursing, people. Even though this is my YouTube channel. Okay, so now I've got the sword and the gun in Tyler's hand. Unfortunately, the sword is not completely in Tyler's hand. There we go. And then after this, pop his head off. And put the Dino Charge head back on. There we go. See? This head, the helmet head is actually a lot easier to put on than the human head. And like I pretty much said, for the Dino Charge sword, here, let me see if I can actually get it to go fully in. Iko kapatre. There we go. So, there's my Tyler review for the Dino Charge Red Ranger. If this was a sucky goddamn review, my bad. You know, I normally don't do this kind of stuff. I only get like several views for a video, probably about maybe once or twice a week. Like I said, I normally don't do reviews. It's not my thing. Anyway, peace.